With the perfect blend of creamy cheesecake, dulce de leche, and cinnamon sugar, these churro cheesecake bars are irresistible and super easy to make. Let's get started. First things first, I sprayed a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with cooking spray and lined it with parchment paper, leaving some overhang for easy removal. Enter the crescent roll dough, which is the perfect ingredient to use to save time and give the perfect results every time. Such a satisfying pop. I unroll an 8-ounce can of crescent roll dough and laid it in the bottom of my prepared pan, pressing to fit and seal any perforations. Now let's move on to the cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, I've got some softened cream cheese. To that, I add some granulated sugar, 1 large egg, pure vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. I used an electric hand mixer to beat this until it's smooth and creamy, which took me about 2 to 3 minutes. Adding dulce de leche is optional, but I love the extra caramel flavor it brings, so I gently folded in some store-bought dulce de leche with a silicone spatula, leaving some streaks for a marbled effect. Now, before I add this to my pan, let's get our churro topping ready. Simply mix granulated sugar and cinnamon together in a small bowl until well combined. Now let's assemble the bars. Spread that cheesecake filling evenly over the crescent roll dough in the pan. Using an offset spatula works great for an easy spread. Next, unroll the second can of crescent roll dough and lay it over the cheesecake filling, again pressing to fit and seal any perforations. I brushed about a 1/4 cup of melted butter evenly over the top to give my cinnamon sugar something to hold on to. Then I sprinkled the churro topping evenly over the melted butter, semi-evenly. This went into my preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the top was golden brown and the cheesecake layer is set. I allowed the bars to cool completely at room temperature, then I refrigerated them until they were fully chilled. Once chilled, I cut them into bars. One thing I love about these bars is that they are perfect for making ahead. Look at that, you've just created an easy dessert with the perfect blend of flavors and textures. And the best part is drizzling the top with more dulce de leche, topping with homemade whipped cream and sliced strawberries. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out the recipe in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.